Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Bukor and now we will explain about degree of comparison. So, can you tell me what is degree of comparison?
Okay, now I will tell you about degree of comparison. So, degree of comparison is used for comparing an adjective on an adverb of more than two or more objects. And then there is three types of degree comparisons. The first is the positive form is used when there is no direct comparison being made to anything specific, but is used to offer a broad or a general comparison. And then the second is the comparative form is used when two things are being compared with each other. And then the last is the superlative form is used for more than two things are being compared with one another.
Okay, thank you.
That is for comparative.
And in the degree of comparison, there is some comparative adjective. What is comparative adjective?
Okay, so comparative of adjective are used to compare differences between the two objects or things they modify. For example,
Yes.
If large is become larger, small becomes smaller, and fast becomes faster. And then the second is some adjective has irregular comparative forms. For example, if before large is being larger,
Yes.
in the second form is good becomes better. So there is irregular comparative form for several types or for several adverb or adjective.
Okay.
That's it.
Okay, thank you for this. So you know the example of degree of comparison.
Yes, I know the example like is preheater height is 100 meter and cement silo height is 30 meter. Preheater is taller than cement silo.
So, what the degree comparison word in that sentence?
Taller is comparative degree of adjective tall.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
So what is the full sentences of the comparative degree? I will give addition. Preheater is taller than cement silo. That is the complete sentence. Like that.
Okay, before we are talking about comparative adjective. Is there any comparative adverb? If there is, can you explain it?
Okay, there is a comparative adverb too, and I will explain about it. Okay, the first is what is comparative adverb? Okay, so not only the functions is similar, to change adverb into a comparative adverb also has familiar way by changing an adjective one to compare an adjective. So there are three methods to change adverb comparative adverb to comparative adverb. Sorry. So add er behind the adverb which has one or two fragments or words. Example early. Add er becomes earlier, soon becomes sooner, and fast becomes faster. Example sentences: he came earlier than usual, and then my rabbit ran faster than yours. That is for comparative adverb. So the way is same like the
Adjective one.
like that.
Okay.
So if before I explain about comparative adverb with one fragment, now I will explain how to edit the comparative adverb if have more than one fragment or two fragments. So add more in front of an adverb that has more than two fragments of words. For example, if we get adverb carefully, we can easily just add more in front of that, and it becomes more carefully. And seriously is become more seriously, and quietly is becomes more quietly. And I want to give example sentences. Her car wheels move more quickly than my car wheels. And then the second is reducer rotation, runs more slowly than motor rotations. Use that. I think that is if we have
Two fragment.
one fragment of adverbs. Okay, so that is for our group materials comparative degree. We hope you all understand